Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And we're going to talk about a little slip in time. Matt and I were at the hangar the other day working on our radiant floor for the new hangar, and I came across this upper cowling from a two-seater, Pantera. I know Chuck Pantera. Here he is with his wife up in Michigan, and in 1994, which is why we're having the flashback in time, is Chuck Pantera was the reason why I flew from New Orleans up to a corn roast at his house on an airport, and we had a great time. Met John and Ruth Maestre, ended up staying at their house, and it changed my life. And then to come home and look for a picture of Chuck Pantera and find video from Joe Reed, 1994, down in Galveston. Folks, it was a flashback to 1994. Please enjoy. And here's a picture that I took of the flight line up at the corn roast, and I doctored it, and you can see parts of this on the top of our web pages on the GPA site. As a matter of fact, there's a copy of that picture on the GPA site that's upside down that I made for our first April Fools. Joe and Lisa are unloading their cheetah. Stand by.
What are you doing, Joe?
You're being recorded for posterity and maybe an award-winning documentary. Who knows? This may be on PBS or something.
It just might. You might make CNN, right? Thanks a lot, Erna. We needed some help in the A-rating store, so that worked out good. Moving some of that merchandise.
We'll get a shot of Karen totaling up the money. Try to say something intelligent if you can. So this is the outside row, nearest the runway. That's correct.
Double row, too.
Okay.
Coming up from Flower Valley, what's the number? 4516 Papa. Okay, looks like 190 wants to look at your plans. Yeah, they're going to do one spot video. Okay. Bonnie, you can text you. Bonnie, you can text you.
Okay.
We have 30 planes in that row right now.
30 planes, okay. Lots of little airplanes. And I guess for that last row, I'm probably going to have to just kind of shoot and pick them both up at once, aren't I?
We can work out. And plane number 41 is the Canadian bird belonging to our esteemed president.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Steve Morris is on time.
688 on Spotlight, what's it? I'm a hole right here.
Why is this one got the cowl up? It's got chrome. Oh, the chrome. Okay. Wave to the folks.
I hope you enjoyed the flashback to 1994. It was fun coming across all of this. Hope everybody has happy holidays, found it informative, and thanks for watching.